Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into something exciting, inspiring, and full of opportunity. We're going to show you a curated collection of wooden furniture and decor ideas that are not only beautiful, but can also become a powerful source of income. So make sure you stay with us until the end, because these ideas could completely change how you look at creativity, business, and financial freedom. Just imagine this for a moment. A home transformed with warm, handcrafted wooden furniture. A strong, elegant dining table where families gather. Comfortable chairs that invite conversation. Artistic wood accents that bring life, warmth, and personality into every corner. The rich textures, natural tones, and timeless beauty of wood create a space where people want to relax, connect, and make memories. But here's the real question. What if these same beautiful wooden creations could also transform your financial future? What if your creativity and passion could turn into a profitable business? The truth is, the demand for handmade wooden furniture and decor is growing faster than ever. People today are moving away from mass-produced products and searching for unique, personalized, and meaningful items for their homes. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our content and love furniture, decor, and creative business ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload inspiring videos every day to help you stay updated with the latest trends. Also hit the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to learn something new. And please like and share this video, because your support helps us bring you even more valuable content. Now let's explore how wooden furniture and decor can become a real and sustainable income source. One of the simplest and most effective ways is direct selling of handcrafted items. You can start small and grow step by step. Products like wooden coasters, serving boards, trays, shelves, and wall decor are easier to make and require less investment. These items are perfect for beginners and can be sold as gifts or everyday home essentials. What makes handmade pieces special is the story behind them. Customers don't just buy a product. They buy craftsmanship, passion, and authenticity. You can sell these items at local craft fairs, weekend markets, exhibitions, or through online platforms. Social media is also a powerful tool. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest allow you to showcase your work to a global audience. Even a small home workshop can become a profitable brand if your designs stand out. Another powerful strategy is following trends. Interior design trends change every year, and staying updated gives you a big advantage. For example, minimalist design is extremely popular today. Clean lines, natural textures, and simple wooden furniture are in high demand. Console tables, floating shelves, and neutral tone decor attract modern homeowners who want calm and clutter-free spaces. Customization is where real profits begin. Many customers are ready to pay more for furniture that fits perfectly in their homes. Offering options like different wood types, finishes, sizes, and personalized engravings can increase your income. Custom work also builds trust and long-term relationships. Happy customers often return and recommend your brand to others. You can also create themed collections or subscription boxes. Imagine sending customers a seasonal wooden decor box every month. This could include holiday ornaments, table accessories, or small decorative items. This model creates recurring income and builds excitement among customers. For skilled artisans, larger furniture pieces can bring even greater returns. Dining tables, beds, cabinets, and statement chairs are not just functional. They become the center of attention in any home. These premium products allow you to charge higher prices because of the craftsmanship and time involved. Collaborating with interior designers is another smart move. Designers are always looking for unique furniture for their clients. When you partner with them, your work reaches high-end buyers who value quality and are willing to invest in custom designs. In today's digital world, building an online presence is essential. Share behind-the-scenes videos of your work, show the process, the tools, and the transformation from raw wood to finished masterpiece. This builds trust and emotional connection. People love to see how things are made. It makes your brand more authentic and memorable. Another powerful income stream is teaching. Many people want to learn woodworking, but don't know where to start. You can offer workshops, classes, or online tutorials. This not only generates income but also positions you as an expert. Some of your students may even become customers. Sustainability is another major trend. Eco-friendly products are highly valued today. Using reclaimed wood, recycled materials, and responsible sourcing can increase demand. Customers feel good buying products that protect the environment. This also allows you to charge premium prices. Partnerships and collaborations can open new doors. Working with cafes, hotels, or local businesses to provide custom furniture increases exposure. Corporate gifting is another profitable market. Many companies want unique branded wooden products such as engraved gifts, awards, and office decor. Bulk orders from businesses can provide stable income. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships can also add passive income. By recommending tools, finishes, or complementary products, you can earn commissions while helping your audience. As you can see, wooden furniture and decor offer endless possibilities. Whether you start small or go big, the key is creativity, consistency, and understanding your customers. The journey may take time, but the rewards can be life-changing. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these ideas inspired you the most? Which one would you like to try? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support motivates us to create more valuable and inspiring content for you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. We truly appreciate your time and support. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.